Thanks.
Hello everyone, welcome to this section where I will talk about the importance of working on a single niche and what is a niche. To guarantee the success on the Facebook platform, you need to focus on one group and give them the content they want. And to succeed in the whole business model, you need to understand how the Facebook algorithm works. When you post on your page, Facebook push your post to your followers first, and they see how they interact with your content. If they comment, like, and share. If they do that, Facebook understand that you are offering a very good quality content, and they start pushing it to non-followers, which means more reach for you and more followers. That's why you need to focus on a specific niche on your page to guarantee that your audience will interact and engage with your posts. And now, maybe you have one question in your mind. What is a niche? A niche is a focused specific area of interest that your content revolves around. Instead of trying to appeal a broad audience, a niche allows you to target one particular group of people that they share a common interests. In our business model, finding and focusing on a niche is crucial if we are seeking engagement. That's why we need to focus on one single niche in each page. And in the next video, I will give you examples and the best niches to work on. See you in the next video.